Hi KB. I want to take a moment to explain the math pages that we are working on today. So I have here for Tuesday, March 17th, we are starting on page 265 in our math book. This is chapter 7.2. Okay, so yesterday we should have done the intro to chapter 7 and 7.1 where we were working with that 10 frame. If you missed that, go back to my other video that explains how we use the 10 frame to show numbers that are bigger than 10. I have another video explaining that, okay? So now we're here working with numbers 11 and 12. Here you are simply counting to 11, you are tracing the number, and you are writing the number. For doing this for 11 and for 12. When we turn the page, here we go. Okay, when we turn the page, we come to here. So again, our book is asking us to count 11. We have 10 ones. They're in our 10 frame. And then we have one more one. We put it here on the side. I know that yesterday we were putting them at the bottom. You can do either. You can go wherever there's more space. Add one either to the side or to the bottom, your choice. Then we're tracing the number 11. And here we are counting. We are making sure that we can recognize 11. So we are counting each box. There's 10 in our 10 frame, and there's one more outside. That gives us 11. And we're putting 11 on the line. I'm using crayon so that it comes out a little bit darker, but you should be using pencil, okay? Then we need to look at our problem down here. This problem is related to what's given right here. So we have to go blank plus blank equals, and we know our number is 11. So we want it to equal 11. Let's look up here. We're going to take what's in the 10 frame and put that number on that first line. We see that our 10 frame is full. So our number here is 10. We're going to put 10 on our first line. And then for our second number, we're looking to see how many are outside the 10 frame. So look here, we have 1 that is outside our 10 frame. We are putting that in the second space. Our problem is now 10 plus 1 equals 11. Okay, try reading that with me. 10 plus 1 equals 11. We're going to do the exact same thing for the number 12. So here we have counted 12. We've got 10 in our 10 frame. Now we have 2 outside that 10 frame. We're going to count again. We see 10 in the 10 frame. So that's 10 plus 2 more, 11, 12. We're going to put 12 on this line right here, okay? 12. And then we have to make a problem again. Blank plus blank equals 12. So we need our two numbers. We're going to go back up to our 10 frame to find them, or excuse me, to this diagram to find them. Our first number is what's in the 10 frame. We know it's full, so we have 10. Now our second number is going to be how many are outside that 10 frame. We see 2 here, so we're going to put a 2 on our line. 10 plus 2 equals 12. I know my 2s are a little bit sloppy. Sorry guys, make sure your 2s look better than mine, okay? Don't make yours upside down. Read this problem with me. 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right, Very good. The last page that we're doing here for 7.2, we are looking again at our number 12. And here we are told to circle a number. We have 3 numbers. You're going to circle one of them. I'm going to pick 12. Pick any of those numbers. Then we need to count how many purple flowers we see. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, hold on. I can't count upside down. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 purple flowers, okay? There's 10 purple flowers, but I circled 12. So how many flowers do I need to add at the bottom? If you circled 12 with me, we need to add 2 flowers. Okay? And those are terrible looking flowers. Sorry, guys. Okay, if you circled 11, how many flowers would you need to add? If you circled 13, how many flowers would you need to add? Okay? And then down here in this space, we're going to write our problem again. This time the answer comes first. We learned that that doesn't matter if the answer is first or if the answer is last. We see an equals 12 sign. We know that this is the number we need. Okay? Our book is asking us, draw a set of 12 objects. Okay, to keep it simple, I am going to make 12 circles. You can make any shape you like. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You are going to draw 12 objects, and then you are going to circle 10 of them. Be careful with your counting. Circle 10 objects. For your first line, you're going to put the number that matches how many objects you just circled. That would be 10. For your second line, you are going to put the number that matches how many objects are outside your circle. That would be 2. And we have 12 equals 10 plus 2. Read that with me. 12 equals 10 plus 2. Really good job, guys.